Everyone, I'm Rupasri. In this video, I'm going to explain you about some topics of JavaScript. So firstly, I will explain you about objects in JavaScript. Objects in JavaScript are nothing but the collection of key value pairs. They can store data of different types and are useful for grouping related data together. So firstly, I'll show you how to create an object. Here I'm using let keyword. I'm taking person as object name. Now taking some properties like name of the person, like Rajiv. Next age of the person. So now use function name greet. I want to return hello. I'm using this keyword. So this is how we can create an object. There is no output for this. So now to access the object, I will show you how to access the object. Console.log to print. So first we should write the object name, then which property we want. We should write that property name, like I want name. Next console, I also want age. Put age. Next. Now I will print this. So the output is Raji and 30. So this is how we can access the object. Now I will show you how to modify an object. That means we can add a new property like person dot job equal to an engineer. Now we can bring by using console.log. Job will make these two as comments. Now we will bring this. So the output is engineer. This is how we can modify the objects. So up to now this is the about objects. Now I'm going to tell you about functions. Functions are a block of reusable code that perform specific tasks. They can take parameters and return a value. So first I'll show you how to declare a function. Like by using the function keyword. Here my function name is greet. I want to int hello world. So now I'll bring this. Name tag under. Now I'll bring this. So now I will show you how to declare a function by using function keyword. Here I am taking the function name as greet. Now and this one not wrong. I want to print hello. Next here this greet you should use to call the function and to print that hello. So now we'll print it. So here got the output as hello. This is how we can declare the function. Next I'll show you the function expression. First keyword I'm using add as a function name. Function keyword and passing parameters in it. So now return equals me. Not log and the parameters like 7, 8. Now we will print this. The output is 15. Here we add 7, 8. This is how the function expression is. Here the function name and using the function expression. This defines the function expression. Now I will make this as comment and I will show you the arrow function. So I'm using const keyword multiply parameters xy and star y multiplication. Now we can bring this. Like 4, 5. So now we'll see the output. Now we will see the output to this. Now we will print this. So the output is 20. By using arrow function, we can shorten the syntax for writing the function. This is how it is used. And these are all about the functions in JavaScript. Now I'll explain you about declaration of variables by using var, let, and const keywords. First, I will show you how to declare var keyword. So I'm first accessing x variable, then declaring x value. Now we will print this. So the output is 10. This is how we can declare the var keyword. Now I will show you how to declare let keyword. Let x is equal to 20. Console load logo x. Now we will see the output. So the output is 20. This is how we can declare the variable using let keyword. Now by using const keyword, x is equal to 30. X. Now we will see the output. Here we got the output as 30. So first I'll explain you about the differences between var, let, and const keyword. Now I'll explain you the differences between var, let, and const keywords. So the main difference between var, let, and const keywords are we cannot redeclare the variable. So the main difference between the var, let, and const keywords, we cannot redeclare the variable which already declared using const keyword, but we can redeclare the variables which are used var and let keywords. So I will show you why we cannot redeclare variable. So now we'll print this. Here got the type error because already we declare x equal to 30 by using const keyword, so that we cannot redeclare x. So this is the main difference. Const means this is the fixed value for entire the program or code. So and the main differences between var and let keywords are for var, first we will access the variable and then we will declare it. But in let first we will declare the variable. So these are the differences between declaration of variables using these three keywords. Okay, now I'll show you. Okay, now I'll show you about modules, how to export and import modules. So here modules are nothing but they allow you to organize code into smaller reusable pieces by exporting and importing functionality between files. So I'm taking two files, example1.mjs and example2.mjs. So first in example1.mjs, I'm going to export a function and here to export we should use the export keyword. Then I'm passing the parameters of a comma b, return. So I want to add these functions. So a plus b. Now here the export function is used to export the functions, variables, etc. from one module to another module. So next I will show you the code for import function. So the import. So now I will show you the code to import the file. Import. You should write the function which used in export code from here. We should write the file name which we want to export. Now console.log of and now we can the parameters like 3 comma 4. This import function is used to import the functions and variables from another module or file. This is how the module in this is how the modules work by using import and export keywords. So here use the add function and now we should import this add function. Okay, now we'll see the output. Sample. So the output is 7. Here we add the 3 and 4. Okay, this is how the modules works by using export and import keywords. So these are the some concepts of JavaScript. Thank you.